Hey there and welcome back to another video. In this video, we will show you how to block or reduce ads on your Android device in 2025 to create a cleaner, faster and more enjoyable browsing experience. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to open your settings app on your phone. This settings app on your phone, you can see this logo. A logo of this type will be shown on your phone. Then you have to scroll down and tap on more connectivity options on network and internet, and then you have to tap on private DNS. You have to tap on private DNS. Here you can see this like this, and then tap on to save. On the private DNS, you have to tap onto dns.adguard.com or another ad blocking DNS like DNS. Let me type it right here. D and S dot family shield dot opendns.com. This one, you just have to tap it and save. Also, you can manage email subscriptions. Open your email app, find a professional or ad filled email, scroll to the bottom and tap on subscribe. Repeat this for other senders to reduce inbox clutter. Then you can also open Google Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner here. You have to tap on this three dot icon. Then you have to go to settings and search for site settings like this. Site settings, this one, you have to tap onto this option. Then turn off notifications for websites that are sending unwanted notifications like this. Just tap onto this and you can customize their permissions. And that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more. See you in the next video.